So, hi dear Gemini, a very good evening to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot, and this is a journal current energy check in for all the Gemini Sun, Moon, Venus rising. I'm going to check your energies from your side, then the energy attached to you, and where this connection is heading right now at this present moment. This is a timeless reading, so whenever you're going to watch this video, it's going to be valid for you guys, okay? If you want to be a professional tarot card reader like me, you can start your journey by purchasing my course. The link is in the description box for the same. If you want to start your self healing journey with Ho'oponopono but don't know from where to start, you can definitely start by purchasing my masterclass. Again, the link is in the description box for the same, and it has the power to change your life for the rest of your life. Trust me on that, I'm doing it from a very long time now. And if you want one on one healing sessions or personal readings, you can check out the description box and you can mail me for the same. So let's start. Gemini, on your side, let's see what we have. Let's see on your side what we have. We have the Chariot, the Knight of Swords, the Four of Wands. Bottom of the deck is the High Priestess. Okay, you are in the middle of this energy of I want to move on from this energy. I never want to look back, and at the same time, you are in this energy of okay, let me go towards them and make this work out toward to this level of commitment, long-term partnership, and or marriage, or having a relationship with them for the rest of my life. It's like you are in this energy of two extremes. It's like either move on completely from the situation or having a committed kind of relationship. There's no middle like situation. There's no middle ground in the situation. Either you want it all or you want nothing out of the situation. It's like, okay, Anjali, the deal here is either to be with me for the rest of my life or to never look at me again, because I am fed up of this energy of we are together, we are not together, we can do this, we can't do this kind of a deal. So you are fed up with this, right? So you're kind of keeping your emotions and your energies to yourself, but at the same time, energetically, you are in this energy of either I want it completely by myself or I don't want it at all, because it sucks to be in this kind of situation where I don't know where it is going and what is happening and what's coming next. Gotcha. The energy attached to you, let's see what they are up to, Gemini. We have the Five of Swords, the Eight of Cups, the Empress. Bottom of the deck is the Queen of Cups. Okay, this person is trying their hard, they are trying their best to move on from the situation and focus on themselves, their money, their job, their career, their looks, everything about their growth and expansion. It's like everything about them, their ego is telling them, their ego is kind of pushing them to move on from the situation, to detach from the situation completely between you and them and focus on themselves as much as they can, because they are not getting what they want from you. So they're like, okay, I'm not getting what I want from Gemini, so fuck this situation. Let me focus on myself as much as I can, and let me show Gemini who I am. If they don't care, I also don't care. If they want something that I can't give them, so I also don't want to be in this situation anymore. It's like some kind of ego game going on where both of you are in this energy of my way or highway, and they're not trying to understand the other person's point of view here. At least one of you right now is in this energy of it's my way or highway, or get out of the situation. Okay, so it's like this person does care for the situation, they does have emotions, they does want to work on the situation, but their ego is too high right now. They're continuously lying to themselves as well, that they don't care about you, they don't care about the situation, they don't even need you in their life. It's not like that. It's not like that. They're pretending that they will be able to move on from the situation and they will never look back, but it's not the truth here. The truth is that they're not able to move on from the situation, they're not able to stop caring about the situation. They're pretending to be happy, they're pretending to be okay, they're pretending to be doing everything in their power to make sure that you see them flourishing, to you see them happy. Okay, let's see for the connection what we have, where this connection is heading, or where this connection can go. We have the Ten of Pentacles, the Five of Wands, the Queen of Pentacles. I'm getting the same kind of energies for every connection right now at this present moment. Okay, either family is the issue, or money, a job, a financial status is the issue, or stability is the issue in the situation. Okay, if you guys can sort it out, the stability issues, the long-term partnership issues, the family issues, whatever issues you have regarding money, job, career, financial stability, or family, whatever issues you guys are having in the situation, if you guys can sort it out this situation still have the potential to work out for the long term. So there is something related to family kind of dynamic stability or money issues or job or career issues, or one of the family, like one of the partner's family is not happy about the situation. So there is something related to, again, stability, family kind of dynamic, money or financial status, that is creating a lot of conflict here. If this conflict can be resolved, this situation has the potential to become something really stable and beautiful. And for that, you guys have to speak up. For that, you guys have to take a stand for the situation. At least one of you is suffering from this energy of not being able to take the stand for the situation, and that is why the situation is going completely south. That is why the situation is not working out, because at least one of you is not able to fight for the situation. Instead of fighting for the situation and taking a stand for the situation, they are creating more of conflict and chaos. Okay, so if you guys want this situation to work out, you guys have to fight for it, both of you. Not no, not it's like no, only one person is going to fight and the other person is going to sit on their ass and do nothing. It's not like that. But whosoever is creating this kind of energy of drama and conflict and chaos, they have to sort it out with their family, I think, or whosoever is creating this drama, they have to sort it out, and then only it can work out. Then the situation has the potential to work out. Okay, almost same as Taurus and Aries. So anyway, thank you so much for tuning in, Gemini. I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care, God bless you, namaste.